Hello, this is Dee with DJ Designs, and today I'm going to show you some of the designs that I've been posting in DesignFind. That's Xtool's design website. It has a lot of laser cut designs if you have a laser, or if not, you can also cut with your Cricut or your Silhouette or whatever type of cutter you have, because some of their designs you can cut it in cardboard. And these are some of the designs that I had done. This link for the design will be in the description. And these are what I'm going to show you how to make today. So stay tuned. Okay, this is the first design that I'm cutting out. It's on walnut, 3mm walnut. And this is the one that has the engraving on it. And I did 3 different ways so that you can choose which way would be best for you. Okay, this is the second and third pair of earrings. It's cut with 3mm basswood, and as you can see, it cut very nicely. And I'll put all of the parameters of the cutting for my Xtool M1 in the description. Okay, now we're going to get to the fun part. I have the engraved, then I have the one that we're going to just stain, and then I have one that we're going to paint. So let's do the stain one first. And I'm just going to pour a little. I'm using this folk art home decor. It looks like antique wax that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to pour a little in there. And I probably will use a brush to initially stain it, and then I'm going to wipe it. And you certainly could use walnut wood or acacia wood, any wood you want, then you can avoid this stain step. But I like the look because I can choose my own stain. So I'm going to just stain that. And I'm in Florida, so this would be very popular for me at my vendor shows. They're palm leaves. They don't necessarily have to be green, but when we do the paint, I'll show you the other option that I do with the colors instead of using the green. Okay? All right, I'm going to do the back, and I'll be right back. Okay, I stained both sides. I put 2 coats on there, but you certainly could use whatever stain you want, or you could even just wipe it and use any color you want. And it does get a little lighter once you stain it. Okay? All right, we're going to put these aside. And now we're going to do the painted ones. And notice it's a reflection. They don't go both this way. It's that way when you are doing a pair of earrings. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just stain a little on the sides because we're going to paint the leaves a different color. So we're going to see how this works out. And you can certainly use paint if you want, or you can paint it whatever color. This is a color that I experimented with, and I did like the combination of the color of the stain. And I'm also going to stain the back as well. Okay. All right, let's get the other one stained. These are really cute for vacation if you're going to go on a cruise or a Caribbean. The summer's coming, so it could be a popular sale. And what I like about it, like I said, you don't necessarily have to have green leaves. You can make the leaves whatever color you like to match the outfit. All right, I'm going to do the back. And then I'll be back once I finish staining the back. Okay, I stained the back. And I did wipe it a little bit so it can get that nice stain look. And now we're going to paint the leaves. I'm going to use the Treasure Gold, and it's the gold. And I really like the results of this. So Let's go on and stain this. And we're just painting the leaves. The combination is so pretty. Probably need to wipe some of that stain off in the corner there. We'll see. I'll put about 2 coats. And that should cover it. But I like this combination. Ooh. Yeah, when I put that second coat, that should cover it up. But look at that combination. And this is if you're wearing a lighter outfit, if you don't want to use the green. It can be different. Next time I think I'll wipe that stain off so I don't have to worry about it being a little darker. But I am going to put 2 coats of this on. But that's looking really good. Really liking that. All right. I'm going to go on and let this dry and put another coat, and then I'll do the other one. I wound up using brown paint on the edges. I think I like that better. The stain was too translucent, so I like the brown better. And so I'm just using a small stiff brush, and I'm going around the edges after I did the gold, treasure gold, and that looks much nicer. So I'm going to paint the back as well. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, all right, I'm going to paint the back, but I want to go on to the engraved ones. It just takes a stain, a light stain, because I did cut this in walnut. So, and I'm just doing it to have a nice deep color. And look at that, really nice. It all depends on the preference that you want. This is walnut, so you don't need a lot of that, just to give it a nice rich look. Okay. Going to do the other one. This is looking good. And because it's walnut, you don't really need a whole lot of stain on it, so you can just wipe off the excess. And that's looking good. Okay, we are ready for the hardware. Okay, before I finish putting the hardware on, I just want to stop and show you that I'm using a small tip brush, and I'm using this treasure gold paint on the side. If you do it carefully with a stiff brush, small tip, you shouldn't have to wipe any excess. Look at that. Looks really nice. Like that. Okay. All right, I'm going to be very careful and go around, and I'll be back to put the hardware on. Okay, I started putting the hardware on. Trying to decide if I want to use the pinch bell clips or the regular earring hardware. But I think I like that. It's easier. And I'm also cutting the painted leaf again. I'm cutting it in the walnut to get that natural wood instead of the painted wood. And I'll be back on to show you the results of that. I had difficulty painting the sides. It kept getting into the other color. But I said, okay, well, let me do it in walnut, the natural color, to see if I have, to see if it has a better look. So I'm using these pinch bell clips, and I'll put a link in the description. These are my favorite clips to use for the earrings. It gives it a nice professional look. Twisting that straight. It makes your earrings look so professional. So when I found them, I made sure I kept a good supply. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to put this on, and I'll do the others off camera just to show you how it looks. And I'll be back also with the walnut too. Look at that. That looks really nice. Okay. Okay, I did cut the painted pear in walnut, which was much better. I do like this better. I would recommend you cut it in the dark. And I'll stain the back of it. That looks really nice. I'm really pleased with that. And this is another pear that I painted in the Treasure Gold. Really nice. Screams Vacation. And this is the stain basswood, but you can also use walnut as well. And this is the engraved, and just gives it like an antique look. And I did stain this. Okay. All right, these designs will be in the description on my website. And I thank you for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So if you like this video, please like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.